We're at the Air Peasy, just past our Beezy. And there's no one here, so I should scream at the top of my lungs.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Hi kitty girls. I'm currently at the airport doing a little bit of ASMR because there's approximately 20 people here and I don't feel like being absolutely ignorant and yelling. I should scream at the top of my lungs. But I wanted to bring you guys along because I kind of impulsively booked a $40 flight, so hopefully we don't fall out of the fucking sky. I wonder how much everyone else paid to be on this plane. When I say I can count the number of people here, I can count them, and I can't count very high. So hopefully I get a row all to myself. That would be super slay, but I don't even have enough time to walk around. Nothing's open, so I'm just gonna be starved. I'm gonna go to sleep. There's nothing, I'm not buying plane food. And what's on the agenda when we get there, you were asking? I don't fucking know. I have never seen the airport this sad. Usually it's hustle and bustle and people going places, getting shit done, but it is very bleak. It's also the day before Valentine's Day, so that could be a factor. I feel like I'm the only hot girl here getting flown out. Flew myself out, but it still counts. They had this cute little Coca-Cola game, but it was boring as fuck. It was not fun. I don't know what it's here for. Why is it not working? That was lame. Oh, that one works. Okay. Where was Coca-Cola invented? I'm gonna say something like, bitch, I don't drink Coke. I'm so good at guessing. I'm done. This is boring. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up and I guess I'll talk to you guys when I'm in my seat, see where we sat. Surprise. Wait, should I walk off? Should I walk off screen dramatically? I didn't even show y'all my new backpack. I did a little unboxing, but I feel like Dora in this bitch. Vamonos, let's go. Dallas is just extra. They have a whole hotel. There's a hotel inside of the airport. It's giving Denver underground tunnels because why the fuck? But yeah, I thought I said I was wrapping this up. Here I am, once again. This is my least favorite part because now we gotta sit on this bitch for 30 minutes without moving, but YOLO, we're on our way to live our best life, I guess, wherever the wind takes us. Oh my God, this time next year, I'm gonna be flying out to see my man. Count my fucking words. And count your fucking days, bitch, because 365 ain't that many. I'm the only douchebag with sunglasses on too. It's 6 a.m. Just in case you don't believe me, it's even earlier, so I lied to you, as I usually do. And I hope I'm in frame, but facials, I'm about to board. Not Laterno. Me vandalizing the plane. Oh, these sunglasses, you're going off because you're getting on my nerves, girl. Oh, shoot. I'm not even using this iPad, to be honest. I'm doing all this and I am about to go to sleep.
So I just set my Oh, complaining.
If it's not blended, please mind your business. I'm working with what I've got.
It's 05, you have to be out there at 7.
Oh, okay, awesome. I'm visiting my girlfriend who lives in Carlsbad. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, grab an apple or something at least.
Call? Who is calling me, baby? I'm on the plane.
Yeah.
Hello?
So they're going to figure out some weight and balance, maybe get some people.
I'm on the plane. Did you not get my text?
No complaints.
Don't be sorry. Go to
I
sleep.
did get bougie one time and get American. I was like, oh my gosh, they're feeding me.
Oh yeah, that shuttle. He gave me
Right?
attitude,
Oh,
but
crap.
we got here.
Try to plug in next to the seat.
Yeah, I love you too. Maybe. Maybe I should care about my safety and put my seatbelt on.
The airport's pretty central.
Oh, excuse me.
How old are your grandbabies?
Sorry about that.
You're good.
Oh my goodness, I'm a nanny, so yeah. The baby I'm taking care of right now, he's just turned 7 months old.
Okay.
He's so cute.
Got 20 minutes till they turn the lights off on me. I'm gonna be the one to break the plane. You are sitting on my eyeshadow palette, so our eyes are gonna be naked.
Oh yeah, 1,000, and it's free.
And my blush brush is in there. Man.
Really not as pretty. Here you go.
Okay.
How's potty training going for the two? Oh, really good. He's nice. I'm sure he has an older brother.
We're just gonna.
I was
Full
up until the kid I
send.
take care of now. I was taking care of. Yeah, he's so cute. I was taking care of a little boy who was 2.5. His little sister just turned 1.
I'm not gonna do this. I want to scare people.
Just registered as a full-time student, or now I'm substitute teaching, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, you don't have to file it at all. Nice. Now I'm in May. I'm going to a summer camp in Colorado to work there for 3 months, and then I'll move back into my master's. Educational leadership. So
I did that with.
either that route or.
How many
I used to work
minutes
at
to
summer camp
spare?
for 5 years. So
Please don't
really
clock me, I
passionate
can't
about
count.
Team building,
15?
facilitation. So I did that. I'd love to go to some young.
And now it's nap time.
Wherever I am.
A few moments later.
The sun is finally up, so I get to kiki with the kitty girls again. But I just had the most enlightening conversation. I swear to God, an angel just came and sat next to me in this seat and made me see the error of my ways. I am a changed woman. When I walk off this plane, please do not talk to me. You gotta put some fucking respect on my name, because I know my purpose and I've gotta act in alignment towards it every day. And I love trips like this, because he said it himself too. If I never got on this plane, I would have never talked to him and I would have never had these ideas. So City Girls up 10,000, and I'll see you when we're on the ground. We out here. Currently waiting for the bus, if anyone gave a fuck, but it's bright as hell. Sunny San Diego for real. This new phone, well, not new phone, but my phone is honestly my bestie this entire trip, because you're not gonna be able to hear a word I say if I don't hold it like this. I'm a little disappointed in my aunt for not answering the phone, even though it is 7 a.m. She knew I was coming, so she's gonna get cussed out, but we're thriving, live, laugh, loving, and embarrassing ourselves in front of some people, but embarrassment is a concept that I cannot afford to have. 2 buses just pulled up and neither of them are mine. Anyway, TTYL, let me go stand next to the stop so I don't get left and have to wait another 20 minutes. I can't say too much, and I'm not sure you can even see me or hear me right now, but we're on the bus. It's a bus. We've been on a bus before together, haven't we? Okay, kitty girls, I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm awfully close to my location and I don't need to accidentally dox myself. But yeah, it was fun. And I experienced the city like a local. I just got off the fucking bus. A bunch of fucking kids. I always happen to get on the bus when kids are getting on the bus, which go get an education, chase a bag, good for them.
Hate lazy people. Barb, stay in school. Don't you ever be lazy. Don't you ever complain about hard work. Work hard, it pays off.
Oh my God, look at all the graffiti. Hold on. Kind of cute. Might come back and take a little picture if this car doesn't hit me first. Anywho, like I said, hugs, kisses. I'll catch you guys in the next one because there's gonna be a next one. You'll see me soon, promise. If you had fun, we can hang out on another platform. I've got TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram now. Well, Instagram coming soon. So yeah, call me, beat me if you want to reach me, but I gotta go for real. It's getting scary out here.